Your smartphone is your loyal companion, including in your ID. It's not only safely stowed in your center console, it also automatically charges inductively there. This symbol on your infotainment screen shows that charging is in progress. You can also charge your smartphone via a USB interface, of course. There are 4 of them in your ID. 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. You can use many of your smartphone functions in your ID. Simply pair it with your ID via Bluetooth. Open the overview of available Bluetooth connections and choose your ID. If a code appears on the infotainment screen, you will need to confirm it on your smartphone. This allows you to pair up to 2 smartphones for making calls. Particularly handy. Once paired, your ID and your smartphone will connect automatically again later. With an active Bluetooth connection, you can also use App Connect. This allows you to access certain smartphone content and apps directly via your infotainment system. Open the App Connect menu. Depending on which smartphone you use, different interfaces are available. Simply let the system guide you through all the steps. Now you can have messages from your messenger apps or entries from your calendar read out to you. Of course, you can return to the infotainment menu at any time. App Connect continues to run in the background and you can switch back to your smartphone content if needed. Just try out what your smartphone and your ID can do together.
Volkswagen.